Hey, what's up, Sacramento? Welcome to 1053 Entrada Road, a 3-bed, 2-bath home, 1,967 square foot. Come check it out. Here we've got our living room. It has a great open space, perfect for hosting family and guests. And as we go this way, we've got a formal dining room. Perfect for a nice long table. You've also got this massive window that shows you this incredible backyard. This home sits on 10,000 square foot. And then here we've got an extra room where you can make it into an office, or you can also turn it into a playroom for your kids. And now we're headed towards the kitchen, my favorite part of the home. Let's check it out. Here you've got this beautiful granite top, nicely furnished, nicely well done, a gas range oven, and double sinks. This is a great place to also host and cook those family dinners, especially with the holidays coming around. And here you've got your laundry units, a sink for your laundry, and then the door out into the 2-car garage. And again, this home has 3 bedrooms, so let's check out the first one. So this bedroom faces the front of the home. Second bedroom here. And this hallway bathroom has a full bath and shower. We've got our master bedroom here. Take a look. And come check out this incredible backyard. So I'm Crystal Lee with the Best Hack Homes Group at Big Block Realty North, and I hope to see you again soon. Bye-bye.